Hey folks, welcome back to Spanky's. Today we're going to add to our little mini series, Vintage Car Hunting. We are going to go look at a 1936 Ford half-ton pickup truck. Really neat project from what I've gathered from talking to the gentleman on the phone. He's owned the truck for 35 to 40 years, and recently, in the last 1,500 miles and 5 years, he converted the truck to more of a street ride with the Mustang 2 front end, small block Chevy, automatic transmission, 9-inch Ford rear end. So not really sure what I'm going to look at. All right, so let's get this journey started. We're gonna jump in the truck. We're gonna head down there. I'm gonna go ahead and go by myself. I'm gonna take my trailer with me. The truck hasn't been driven in about 5 years. We may have to get it running. We may have to tinker on it just a little bit just to even get it up on the trailer. The power's out here today. There's nothing else I can do. And I've been putting this off. And you know, if you put it off too long, somebody's gonna sweep in there and get it. So let's go check this truck out and see what we can do. I really wished I was able to take you guys along with me. It was fun. The guy was pretty comical, but when I first got there, he did not want me to do any filming. So out of respect, I didn't film any of the footage. Had to put some antifreeze in it, had to prime the mechanical fuel pump to get it to start pumping again, top off all the other fluids, install a new battery, and find the keys. So with all of that being done, I was able to actually take the truck for about a 30-foot drive over to the trailer and pull it up on the trailer. Did not have any brake fluid with me, and he didn't have any brake fluid, and it really needed some brake fluid to drive down the street. So anyway, I got the truck home. Let me show it to you. This is what I ended up getting. If you know me personally, you know my passion for 30s Fords, especially the 32s and the 36s. And this is a 36 Ford half-ton pickup truck, and it does have a 35 hood on it and a 36 grill, and it was street rodded back in the 80s, and it's still featuring the 1980 paint, if not older, and the 1980 interior, which is all okay. I do not intend on selling the truck. I do not intend on redoing the paint on the outside. I have taken the spare tire off of the side of it since I started making this video, and got the front tires aired up. Got new tires on it, new motor, new transmission, new rear end, new brakes, but it's all about 6 years old, but it's only got about 1,500 miles on it. So in its later days, he did not drive it, but he did keep it in pretty decent shape. It's still old school on the inside and does have a couple of cracked glass. And I got to fix the glass, but I've ordered new, I've ordered some NOS window regulators to put the hand crank windows back in it. It's got some 1980s power windows in it, and of course, as soon as I rolled the window down, it went down fine and it went up fine. I rolled it down again, and that time it went up, it broke. And the other side went down and would not come back up. So, but anyway, these things are still out there, guys. I had to pay retail for this one, or just a little under retail, which is fine. I do not like beating anybody out of anything, but it was a good enough deal for me. And I can tell you that if, as long as you do pay a reasonable price for a car these days, there's always somebody that wants that car and will pay you a little bit more. So you can buy them without beating anybody up, enjoy them for a few months, and sell them. And, you know, make you a few $100s or a few $1,000s. It just depends on how long you want to keep the car and what you're planning on doing. But anyway, guys,
get out there, hunt for some old cars, get out in the shop and make something. This is just a quick video just to show you what's going on today. Thanks for watching.